Hi everybody, my name is Grace and this is Training with Grace Yoga. Today we're gonna do a full body stretch. If you have bad knees, it would be really great if you have a folded towel or a pillow nearby for the end of the practice when we will be on our knees. Today we're gonna stretch our neck, our shoulders, our side body, our glutes, our quads, our hamstrings, our calves, and our toes. So when you're ready, meet me on your mat. Today we're going to begin in tabletop pose. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees, and be sure to untuck your toes so that you can take pressure off of your knees. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly down, keeping your tummy tight, and shine your chest and neck up to the sky. Exhale, cat pose, press through your palms, rounding your spine up to the sky, let your head and neck hang heavy. Now just continue to flow through cat-cow with your own breath. We are warming up with cat-cow to wake up the muscles in our body just a little bit, and also so that you can become aware of how your body feels. And then we'll do the cat-cow again at the end of the practice, and then you'll be able to notice the differences in how your body feels after you've stretched your whole body. So just continue to flow here, breath to movement, taking this at your own pace. Take a mental scan of your body from head to toe, see how you're feeling. And then on your next exhale, come to a neutral spine, and then tuck your toes behind you and come to seated on your heels. Now this stretch on your toes tends to be kind of intense for some people, so if at any point you need a little break, just press yourself up, and then you can tap out your toes behind you and get right back into it. I promise it's very good for your body. From here, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bring your left hand to your right ear by reaching over your head, and then very gently pull your head towards the left side of your body, and then drop your chin down towards your armpit. Feel the stretch in the side of your neck. As you inhale, you can lift off of the stretch, and then exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Inhale, lift up your neck. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. And then lift your neck back up to center, release your hand, and then take your right hand to your left ear and pull your neck towards the right side of your body. And then drop your chin towards your armpit. Take a deep breath in, back off the stretch. And then exhale, sink a little bit deeper. I know you're feeling your toes. You're gonna be just fine. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale. Exhale. And then release your neck back up and send your arm down. And press yourself up off of your toes into tabletop pose. And then tap the tops of your feet on the floor. Isn't that the best feeling after being in that toe sit? Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Now we're going to move forward just seated on our knees. We're going to move into some shoulder circles. Reach your arms out beside you. Inhale your shoulders forward and up, and exhale back and down. Find your rhythm and try to move breath to movement. Your shoulders are going to warm up a little bit. They might begin to feel a little bit tired, and that's okay. You can do it. If you start to feel or hear any clicking in your joints, that's totally fine as long as you don't have any pain. If you do feel pain, you can lessen the range of motion that you're reaching for. We're just gonna do a few more circles here. Take a deep breath in And a deep exhale. And then relax your arms down, wiggle out your shoulders here. And now we're gonna change directions. Inhale back and up, exhale forward and down. Find your rhythm and move breath to movement. Find the position with your arms that feels best for you. Maybe you like your arms out long, or maybe you wanna pull your arms in a little bit closer to you. It's totally fine. Just tune in with what feels the best for you. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And then relax your shoulders down. Wiggle out your arms. Shake it out a little bit. Inhale your biceps up by your ears. Exhale, bend your right elbow and bring your left hand to your right elbow. And from here, very gently press your right elbow down. You want to lift your arms up so that you're not sinking down into this. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, press your arm down a little bit more. Now maybe you're not feeling this stretch as much. You should be feeling this in your tricep. Feel free to move your arms around to find the position that feels best in your body. Take another deep inhale and a deep exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale both of your arms up. Exhale, bend your left arm down and bring your right hand to the top of your left elbow. Lift up your arms, take a deep breath in. Exhale, press your arm down a little bit. Take another deep inhale and a deep exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach both of your arms up by your ears. And very gently drop your right hand down to the earth, just so your fingertips are resting on the ground. And then reach your left arm up and over. Be sure to peel your heart open to the sky. And then reach a little bit deeper. Exhale, sink into this posture. You should be feeling a nice stretch up your side body, all the way into your arm. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, reach a little bit further, pressing your body in the opposite direction. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, reach. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, drop your left hand down to the earth and very gently reach your right arm over. Remember to peel your heart open to the sky. Press your body in the opposite direction. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, reach. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, reach. One more full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale, reach. And then inhale your arms back up to center. Release your arms down and wiggle out your upper body. Now you can come to a seat on your mat with your legs out long in front of you. This posture is my favorite. I've been doing it all the time. You're going to bend your right knee and then step your right foot over to your left knee or a little bit closer to your body. Wrap your left arm in front of you and around so your knee is roughly in the crease of your elbow. And then place your right hand down behind you with your fingers facing away. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. And then exhale, relax into this posture. And if you'd like, you can even twist a little bit deeper. I find that I'm feeling this stretch the most in my hips and my glutes when I'm hugging my knee into my body and I'm able to relax my muscles. If you're holding on to that tension, it's really hard for your muscles to relax and stretch. So take a deep breath in. Exhale, sink into this posture. Relax your muscles. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Release your leg. Wiggle out your legs just for a moment. And then bend your left knee. Step your left foot over to the right side of your mat. Wrap your right arm around so that your knee is in the crease of your elbow. Take your left hand behind you with your fingers facing away. Take a deep inhale, sit up nice and tall. And then exhale, sink your body into this posture. Take another deep inhale. And a deep exhale. One more full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center and wiggle out your legs in front of you. And now make your way onto your knees and then to standing at the top of your yoga mat. You're going to step your feet out wide into a wide-legged fold. Just gently sink the crown of your head down towards the earth. Just feel a nice stretch in the back of your hamstrings. In this posture, you want to shift your weight from your heels into your toes. Not so that your heels are lifted, but just so that you feel a little bit of a deeper stretch in your legs. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Inhale, lift yourself up just a little bit. Exhale, sink down. Very softly, crawl your hands over to the back of your yoga mat, framing your right foot. Drop down to your back knee, untuck your back toes. And then from here, lift yourself up to a crescent lunge, but here you can rest your arms by your side. Now we want to get into stretching the quad. Most people, what you can do is you can grab your foot and pull your leg in towards your body. But what I find is that just by bending your knee without pulling your leg, you'll feel a really nice stretch in your quad muscles. So if you're with me here, you can rest your hands on your front knee. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sink yourself forward and down. Point the toes of your bent back knee. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Inhale. Last exhale. Drop your back knee down and press yourself back to half splits. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. One more time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Crawl yourself forward to low lunge. Tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat. Walk yourself to your forward fold. Shift your weight from your heels into your toes. Now from here you can play around, bending and straightening one leg at a time as we move side to side in a low lunge. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. You can take this motion as slow or quickly as you'd like to. Come back to stillness and then walk your hands towards the front of your mat, framing your left foot. Drop your knee back down to the mat, untuck your toes, and lift yourself up to a crescent lunge. But again, we're keeping our arms resting. Place your hands on your front knee, lunge deep, and then bend your back knee with your toes pointed to feel the stretch in your quad. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, sink deep. Take another inhale. Exhale, sink just a little bit deeper. Last inhale. Exhale. Now land your back foot down and press yourself to half splits. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up out of the stretch. Exhale, sink down. Last time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Now crawl your hands back to low lunge. Tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat, and step your left foot back to high plank. Drop your knees down to tabletop and move through your cat-cow breath to movement, nice and slowly. Just notice how your body's feeling. A little bit looser, a little bit more relaxed. Just continue your deep cycles of breath. bring yourself to stillness. Thank you so much for taking time to do your stretching and your yoga with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what you thought, so be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you can think of anyone who would benefit from this video, you can copy the link and send it to them. If you would like to subscribe to my monthly newsletter, you can find the directions in the description of this video. Thank you so much for flowing with me, yogis. Namaste.